Hello everyone, I'm Jake Klein back for another review. Another round of Nature's Fury. Peach Mango. And Berry. The nutrition facts is the same thing as the other two I reviewed. So let's try the berry one first. Should open this up before my review. Well, it's got that berry flavor. Mixture of berries anyway. But the ingredients is supposed to be filtered water and apple juice from concentrate. There's different, well, I can't read them off literally, but you get the idea. Okay, for a berry flavor, I give it a 10 out of 10. Now let's see if this will taste like a peach mango. There are certain drinks that can taste like that. Peach mango's popular nowadays, too. Also, plain peaches, peach flavored drinks. Like, for example, in energy drinks as well. They did a good job mixing the peach mango. Okay. This is going to be a bit lower though. Not much fond of an electrolyte antioxidant 15% real juice beer cane sugar drink. And I don't think they have peach mango like that at all in hydration drinks. Could be wrong. Body Armor is probably one of them. Pedialyte I never see in peach mango. Ain't a bad flavor though. So I'm gonna give this an 8.5. Well, you know my rating on that, on both. Nature's Fury does rock, in my opinion. So, Nature's Fury all your drinks are actually good. Because I reviewed 2 on Friday. These 2 I reviewed today. Yesterday I couldn't because I was gaming. So, gonna go back to gaming now. Talk to my sister. MJ Klein's out.